Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my students and viewers. I am Professor Dr. Zwan Jamil Qureshi, and Lecture 5 is going to start. And Lecture 5 is about the storage devices. Like human brain, computer has the ability to store the data. And there are several output devices available. The most common one is the hard disk drive. Hard disk drive stores the data in the form of magnetic particles on its surface. It has the ability to read and write data, and there are storage locations. We call them sectors. And you heard about common term bad sectors if some of the area of hard disk is corrupted. Hard disk drive can be internal, can be external, and externally you can connect using a cable like USB drive is used. Then RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Random access memory is used to store data temporarily while computer is working to display on the interface of the monitor or the laptop or any computing device. It is where the data is stored when your processor needs to run your applications, open files. There is a term called memory footprint and virtual memory. What is the difference between memory footprint and virtual memory? Any idea? Memory footprint is the amount of area of RAM when operating system loads some data to display on the monitor. Whereas virtual memory, it's a section of hard disk drive to use when RAM gets full. So that is the common difference, the main difference between memory footprint and virtual memory. Cache memory is also there. It's fast to improve the processing of the processor. Then we have primary cache, secondary cache. L1 is the primary, L2 the secondary, L3 is the cache. Is also available. Read-only memory ROM is also there. ROM is used, it stores operating system and it is used to boot the computer. And there is a device or the part of that, we call it CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. And it performs a test called POST, not post office or post the data. POST stands for power on self-test. That all the devices are properly connected to the computer or not, like keyboard, mouse, printer, and so on. There are different types of ROM available. Programmable ROM, we call it PROM. Electrically PROM, electrically erasable PROM. Flash EPROM, programmable ROM. Then memory cards are there to easily transport digital data to and from computing devices like computers and mobiles. USB drive is also there to store the data. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus Port. It is connected to USB port. That is the reason it's called USB drive, portable drive. Cloud storage is also available using the internet services like Google Drive, HP, Cloud is there, Azure platform by Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, and most commonly devices which were used previously was CD to store the data. CD stands for compact disc, and then it was replaced by DVD, digital video disc. It can store more amount of data. Then RAID devices are also there. RAID stands for rat, apple, ink, dolphin. Am I correct? No. Redundant array of independent disk. To duplicate the data, to have more reliable data, we use RAID devices, RAID disks. Storage area network is also available. High-speed network that provides storage using remote servers and very high-speed internet connections or network connections are available. Magnetic strip cards are there to store the data like credit card, debit card. Then now there is a trend having the smart cards. Instead of magnetic strip, computer chip is there. And smart ID cards are also available. RFID tags. RFID stands for rabbit, F for fish, I for ink, D for donkey. Radio frequency identification tags are available, RFID tags, so there is RFID reader to read them. And NFC tags, NFC chips, near field communication chips are available, like you can pay using your mobile, having the smart card or the credit card or debit card. Well, information is there, and you just detect the device reader and the amount is deducted. And that's the end of storage devices. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day.